Hi guys, welcome to the channel. So the people who have been watching my channel, there is a clear change in the volume and the sound today, right? The quality of my voice, everything sounds very different. That is because of the Saramonic Air. So Saramonic reached out saying that I should try the Saramonic Air, and I was truly blown because this mic is absolutely amazing. So let's unbox this. You guys can already hear my sound, and my videos are going to be from this mic going forward as well. And if you want a good product, there's something which you can choose, and there is a good discount as well which they have given. So it's going to be exciting. Let's get into the video. For all those people who want a mic, who want to start a YouTube channel, or just want a mic to record something, this is a really good mic. And before we do that, do subscribe to the channel, click on the bell icon so that I can get you more such videos. And now let's go. So before we unbox this, let's have a look what Saramonic has to offer. So one is that you have a lapel-like thing which is there on this. So you can actually put it on with a lapel, or you can put it on like I have right now. And the mic is actually very small. It's really tiny, and let me show you how it. So this is how it looks, and this is one of the mics which is there. It already has started pairing, so you can hear maybe me a little bit louder, but this is how it is. And really sleek design, really good stuff by Saramonic. And what I have done is I have used the mic and put it on with the magnet, so it looks like this. Very seamless, nothing too fancy or nothing too bulky, and you can actually roam around with this without an issue. Okay, so we need to unbox this, so let's do that. Let's see what we get in the box. And I'm also going to talk about the battery life, the audio quality and all of that, and what features Saramonic has to offer, and does it really compare well with the mics already out there and the best ones. So let's get into the unboxing first. So here is the box, and let's do a very quick unboxing. And we also have the camera adapter with it, so we look at that as well. This is only for Sony cameras, and this is made for iPhone and iPad. So now let's unbox this and see. In the box we get a charging case, we get 2 transmitters, 1 receiver, 1 USB-C adapter, a 3.5 mm PRS cable, and a lav mic, which is really nice, right? So many things in this box, and of course it comes with a 2-year warranty. Now let's get into it. So here are 2 things. I'm going to keep this on the side now, and there are 2 boxes. One houses the mic itself, so we have the entire mic and its contents over here. Let me keep that on the side for a bit. And in this we have things like the case, we have some documentation to go away with it. It's a very premium setup, so we have a lot of things over here. And let's keep this also on the side. With the case, we have the other accessories like the cable and all of that which comes into this. And we also have the windbreaker. So before I open this, the 2 packets has these mics, so you can see the quality of this looks really good, and believe me, the clips are metal. Okay, so now the hero. So this is the mic case. It is totally metal, and here is the USB Type-C charging. Is a 1300 mAh battery, which is really good, I think. And now let's open it. Okay, so as soon as you open it, there is a display over here which comes up, and you have the 2 mics which are there. So this is one, and this is the other one, and you have the USB-C converter as well over here, and then you have the lapel. Okay, so and here you have the transmitter which goes on to the phone or the camera and all of that. Okay, while we are talking about the camera, let me also give you a glimpse into this. So this is the camera mount which is there, and you have the entire mount which is there. So it goes on the camera, and then this can get mounted over here. Very nicely, very handy. So the connectors are really good. I think it's a good idea to have such kind of connectors, and then it nicely folds. Really premium looking, very nice. Now let's test this. Let's test these out, and for this I'm going to take out all of these, but for you guys it will be like so. Everything's off now, and here you can see that there are also magnets which are really good, so that you can put it into your shirt and the mic can be on. So magnet also just gets pulled in. So as I said, really convenient. And here you can see the 3 batteries. So one is of this and 2 of this. So all of that is there, and the case is at 97%. So all that remains is testing it out. So let's get it. Okay, so couple of features which I would like to tell you guys before we move on to the actual test and video. So right now I have my phone connected to the app, and this has got app control, which basically enables me to do all the settings which I want, like right from tweaking the noise control level to the stereo, mono, etc. I can also switch on the limiter if I would want to, adjust the gain. All of that comes into the picture, even the equalizer. Everything is inbuilt in this app. You can also do it from the device itself, but you have an additional app control which is available for you. Apart from that, this I would like to share with you guys has got, so it has got a 90 dB of SNR, which is signal to noise ratio, which is absolutely crazy. And apart from that, you can also take the audio to 120 dB, which is the max SPL of the mic, which is again a very good level. I'm sure you guys are not going to use it to that level, but if you want to, the mic has it. Plus it's got app control, all of that built in. So really nice. You can even put on your windbreaker or dead cat, whatever you want to call it, so that you can use the mic to the fullest. Okay guys, so for this segment I am at JBR, and obviously it's quite a lot of noise over here. So I'm going to check out how the mic performs. I've connected it to my phone, and let me see how it goes and what is the sound like. So you can see this video. Now let's look at the video with the Saramonic Air. Okay, so guys, the mic is connected, and now I'm going to switch to video of the phone, and you'll be able to see the video. Okay, so I have worn the mic, and now let's look at the video from the phone itself. Okay, so you can see the bar moving over here, and I'm just trying to capture everything. Okay, I'm also going to turn on noise cancellation. Here you can see that the noise cancellation has changed, and this is one more mode. So there are totally 3 modes. Okay, so we have done all of them, and you can now see the difference with respect to the mic output. So if you want to use it as a professional setup also, it's really convenient, and it comes with a lot of modes. So I'm very happy with this device. And you can also connect the manual setup, without the transmission. You can connect the wires as well. So a lot of features in this small device, and you can obviously charge this as well if you want to. So all of that is absolutely up there. The quality of the sound, you heard it yourself, you saw the features, and at this price point it's very difficult to get such a mic. So Saramonic has outdone themselves, I feel, and very nice setup over here. You have a good discount coupon as well in the description. So if you want to check it out, if you want to get such a mic, you can actually do it very easily now. And let me know if you want to see anything more on this. And as usual, thanks for watching.